Sarah, a passionate DIY enthusiast, dreamed of turning her woodworking hobby into a money-making venture. Armed with creativity and basic tools, she decided to craft unique items with the strong hook products that would stand out in the crowded market. Sarah sat in her cozy workshop, surrounded by sawdust and tools. She brainstormed ideas and sketched designs for her first batch of items. Rustic floating shelves, elegant wooden coasters, and birdhouses. Her strong hook, personalization adding custom engravings and vibrant stains. With focus and precision, Sarah crafted her first product, a floating shelf with a unique live edge design. She used sandpaper to smooth it, applied a warm walnut finish, and carved a delicate floral engraving. Sarah displayed her creations at the local market. Customers admired the craftsmanship and loved the customizable options. The personalized coasters sold out quickly, and she received orders for custom birdhouses. Sarah's woodworking projects, combined with her strong hook of personalization, turned her passion into a thriving small business. Her story inspired others to start their own creative ventures.